had cloudy vision, a really bad headache, I couldn't read, and I'm emotionally out of control. And this combination of things was just really overwhelming. That night when I got home with my son, my neighbor asked me, how are you doing? And the only response that I could give was to just burst into tears. And that was, I think, the wake-up call when I realized, I'm not okay. I went to the Naval Academy and served in the Marine Corps, 10 years active duty. I deployed once to Afghanistan back in 2012 to 2013, and my husband has now been deployed 3 times. It's just hard when they're gone. And it's hard, and it was harder this time because this was the first time that our son was old enough to realize that Dad was gone. I had been pushing through everything that life had thrown at me, from the Naval Academy, from being an active duty Marine, being a mom, being a military spouse, and I didn't realize it at the time, but I had hit my breaking point that day. I'm looking at my notebook and I can't read it. The words that I'm trying to read are coming out jumbled. The things that I'm reading aren't coming out in order. And as a leader, as a Marine officer, this was a really embarrassing experience. If you stop, you say, no, really, how are you doing? And I think that was what gave me the freedom when my neighbor asked me how I was doing, because I knew he was serious, and he wasn't just asking, was I good? Over a year now since that incident, I self-referred to a group that was offered on base with other Marines that were there either because of substance abuse or suicidal ideations. Now that I've learned all these other tools, I have more ways to reduce stress than just going for a run or having a beer, which are kind of the ones that we learn and we're familiar with as Marines. I feel just much more effective because I'm more aware of myself as a whole. I already know that it's helped me be a better mom and a better spouse and a better Marine.